This Algebra Nation video will cover all of page 102.
And now we've got to put it all together. Talk about a number. What is the square root of 49? 49 is a perfect square. It's perfect. 7 times 7. So the square root of 49 is 7. And then we have variables, different thought process. With that variable, we have 12 a's. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And you're done. No more radical. Everything worked out beautifully where there was no radical left over. But then in this case, 8, you'd have to maybe rewrite this. 8 is 4 times 2. You got a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2 with a 2 left over. So notice I dealt with the coefficient, the number first. Now I have 7 w's. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. So again, make sure you know the difference between dealing with just the coefficients, the numbers, and the variables. So if you're ready, I want you to try one more time, 2 of them on your own. I'm going to pause it once more and try and simplify these. And take your time. This will take a few minutes. Pause now. Square root of 12. 12 is 4 times 3. I have a p to the 6. 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is going to give you 2 with a 3 left over. P to the 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times because I have 3 pairs of p and none left over. And that would be your final answer. 50. We did that actually earlier. 50 is 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square. Square root of 25 is 5 with a 2 left over. G to the 7th is 7 g's. How many pairs? 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. So now that we've done all of those, and that's a long video, you might want to go back, watch again if you need to, or pause before each one, give them a try again on your own. But now it's time to let's beat that test. The expression m to the 9th is equivalent to which of the following? Be careful. Make sure you know the difference between dealing with coefficients and dealing with exponents. Don't look at this and go, the square root of 9 is 3. That's there to mess with you. No. This is 9 m's. 9 m's. M, 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 M. M, 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 M. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 9. 4 times with 1 left over. That's how you need to simplify, again, variables with exponents. Don't be fooled by this. It's a good question. It's tricky. The answer would be D. Let's do one more. Another tricky one. The square root of 8, j to the 8th. Make sure you know the difference between the number, the coefficient, and the exponent, the power. In the final answer, what is the exponent on j? I'm going to work out all this, okay? So ready? 8 is going to be 4 times 2. So ready? The square root of 4 is 2 with a 2 left over. And that's how you simplify the coefficient. But then j to the 8th is 8 j's. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 8 4 times and none left over. So the exponent on j would be the number 4. So again, make sure you know the difference between a variable with a raised to the power and the coefficient, the number in front. This one will take some practice, but really it's kind of fun. If you think about it. You're trying to simplify and get 2 of a kind. You're trying to match it up. You're trying to see what's under that radical. Okay? There you go.